Hello guys, today we are going to start another episode in PHP development series. So let's start. First we will open the XAMPP server so we can access our websites in local storage. Here we are going to start it. After that we will open the Sublime text so we can edit our codes. And now we are going to open the Chrome so we can load our website. Here we enter the URL of localhost and the name of our project folder. When we click it, our website loads smoothly. So today we are going to talk about operators. Let me delete this. Operators helps us to operation. Let me create a variable. A is equal to 10. Let me create another variable. B is equal to 2. Sorry. Okay. The first operator is the minus operator. So let's try it. We will print it in our web page. A minus B, and when we reload our web page, it should shows us, let's see. Let me subtract it. A minus B is equal to 10 minus 2 when we say us as 8. When we reload our web page, it should show us 8. Now let me add them. A plus B is equal to 12. Then the plus operator. When we add them, it should give us the 12 as a result. Then the other one is the division operator, multiplication operator, sorry. If we multiply them, it shows us 20. And after that is the division operator. If we divide A with B, it should give us 5. Another operator that we use in PHP is the percentage sign. It is used to show us the remaining of a division. In this case, if we divide 10 by 2, the remaining is 0, as you can see. This is the first group of operators that we use in PHP programming. So another group of operators are the increment and decrement operators. They are used to add +1 the base variable. They are plus plus and minus minus. For example, if we have the a variable with the value of 1 and we give a plus plus, it's equal that with a plus 1, and we give the decrement operator minus minus, so a minus minus is equal with a minus 1. So if we have the a with a value of 1 and we give them a plus plus, it means 1 plus 1 is equal with 2. After that, we have another group of operators in PHP that are equal to, it means as a, the value of a is equal to the value of b. Not equal to, it means that value of a is not equal with the value of b. Is greater than, it means that a is greater than b. Smaller than, it means that a is smaller than b. Greater or equal to, it means that a is greater or equal with the b. And smaller than means that a is smaller or equal to b. All these operators will be demonstrated in a real-world application that we will develop in another series. That was for today, and in the next video we will discuss all the remaining other parts that we have left uncovered in this video, such as errors handling and some other things. Then we will go with a real-world app as our first app, and after that we will go with the program flow, which means we will talk about for loops, if loops, while loops. Thank you for watching.